it's Lael with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at my new Hello Sunshine mini book project kit. So first we will take a look at the completed project, then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. You'll find a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase the kit. When you click on that link, it will also show you all of the individual components of the kit. Also with the kit, you receive color step-by-step instructions and access to a 3+ hour live video where I put the project together with you step by step. If you're not able to make that class live, then you have access to watch that video anytime after the fact. Alrighty, so for this project, I am using the Coral snap binder from Simple Stories. This is one of their new limited edition colors, so the Coral snap binder, and I have paired that with the Hello Sunshine collection from Simple Stories. So very fun, whimsical collection that is great for documenting your summer memories. Fun little pom-pom trim there on the cover. And as we get going, you will find a number of different products that I have used, along with lots and lots and lots of different interactive elements. So a little pocket right there that you could tuck cards in. Beautiful collection, just a great, really neutral. I like to call it a neutral summer collection because it really works with lots of different summer activities or lots of different summer photos. As we continue, the collection I think is so fun. It's just one of those happy. So there's a little pocket you can tuck your photos in or memorabilia, postcards, whatever you'd like. A little door here that flips up. I love the interactive elements because it gives you lots of room for your additional photos or journaling if you would like. Cute little VW van. And that little sun is just the most precious little thing. It just makes me so happy, right along with the little smiley faces that you see throughout the collection. So as you can see, room for plenty of photos. Really tons and tons of photos. Even when you open up some of the interactives, you have room there for your photos or journaling. Another little interactive there, a little side interactive here. The interactive elements are some of my most favorite things to do when I create projects like this, just because they are, they just give a little bit more added interest when someone is looking at your project once you get all the photos added. Alrighty, so that will give you a very good idea of the project and how it turns out when you are done. You have a couple of one extra pocket page at the end, and I've just put some of my extras in there, but that's a great place for storing additional photos or memorabilia or whatever you have that you would like to include. All right, so that is the completed project. Then we move to the contents of the kit. As I mentioned, that is the limited edition Coral snap binder from Simple Stories. The Simple Stories binders always have lots of pages included. So 1, 2, 3, 4 of the colored pages, and the colored pages coordinate with the color on the spine. You also have 1, 2, 3, 4 white or office kind of themed pages. And then you have 8 pocket pages and 3 craft dividers. Excuse me, not 8 pocket pages. Your 8 pages are those. 10 pocket pages in your craft dividers as well. So lots and lots of goodness in that. Then we move to the contents of the kit. You have the foam stickers. By far, hands down, my very, very, very favorite product that Simple Stories does. So 34 stickers here. You have double-sided, and the foam gives you a nice bit of added extra dimension. That is the pom-pom trim that we use on the cover. You have the 6x8 paper pad. So with that, you have 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns, and everything is double-sided, so you really end up with 24 different patterns. That will give you a good feel for the beautiful colors and icons and patterns of the Boho Sunshine Collection. You have those color step-by-step instructions along with your cutting diagrams on the back. And remember, purchase of the kit also includes access to the class where I make it step-by-step with you. You have the 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet, and then a number of 12x12 papers from the collection. So the 3x4 elements, the journal elements, the 4x6 elements, the 3x4 elements again, because I loved this sunshine paper so much, I wanted to be able to use that side as well. And then a 12x12 piece of white cardstock that we are using on that front cover. Alrighty, so there you have it. That is the Hello Sunshine mini book project kit. As I mentioned before, you will find a link in the description box of the video down below to find additional information on purchasing that project kit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.